Hey guys, your favorite CPA here. First and foremost, Happy New Year. Happy 2020. It's going to be a great year, a great decade. I could feel it already. Lots and lots of good things coming our way. I wanted to drop by and give you some tips on how to prepare for this tax season. The first thing you need to do is get organized. Make sure that you gather all your forms. Your W-2s and 1099s should be ready by the latest January 31st. A lot of employers will go ahead and send it much faster than that, but January 31st is the deadline. Make sure also that if you have interest of any kind, if you have bank interest, student loan interest, a mortgage interest, any of that stuff, wait for your paperwork. You have no idea how many people come see me and they're missing information like that. Also, very important, if you have an insurance through Marketplace, make sure you wait for those 1095As. If you do not include this information, your return will not get processed by the IRS and you'll get an IRS letter, which will delay the process even further. Last thing, tally up all your expenses. Make sure that you know everything, where your money went. I had a client that was very good about that. He used to bring me all his expenses on an Excel spreadsheet, and even though some of the stuff was not deductible and we couldn't use it, it helped a lot because it helped identify other things that he spent his money on that sometimes you might think it's not deductible, but it wound up being deductible. So it wound up saving him a lot of money tax-wise. One more thing, if you have an IRA or any other retirement account, you can make last-minute contributions. That is, you have until April. A lot of people save tons and tons of money by doing this. Some people qualify, some people may not. So make sure you find out whether or not you qualify. And if you do, please put that money away. It's better to put it away than to give it to Uncle Sam. Last thing, if you guys don't know or if you guys have questions, hire an expert. I have nothing against people prepping their own tax return, but they make a lot of mistakes in the process and they leave a lot of money behind. My job and any accountant's job should be to make sure that you don't leave any money on the table. So if it's tax dollars that you could be saving, that is my job. So make sure, even if it's just a consultation, something like that, reach out and talk to your accountants. If you want my help, please, I'm going to leave my phone number and my email below, so you go ahead and call me if you have a question. So January 27th is when the IRS will open and start receiving returns. So make sure that you have all your information. If you could even get your returns in beforehand, it will expedite a lot of the process and you guys will be like first in line when the IRS opens. So if you have any questions, please call me, email me.